DUCLAS sent me this to check it out. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's take a look at this thing, see what we get. Get an acrylic reflective display board for free. And this thing comes just like you see it right here. All right, so I thought I'd pack this stuff and show you what it's gonna be like when you roll into a photo shoot. So here we've got our nice carrying case right here. 6 plastic backdrops here. Several different colors, white, blue, red, green. We have a couple of paper backdrops, black and white. And there's also a heavy black plastic one. So we're going to pull out the diffuser, the light diffuser on the top. I'll show you how to use that. The gift reflectors that they sent us, reflector boards, these are nice. You can use them on the bottom, on the back, on the side, however you want to use them. There's gold, black, really gold, and kind of a pinkish hue. Now we pull the case out, the actual light box itself. Let me show you how easy this is. Basically, you fold the front out with the name on the front, DUCLAS. And you can tell this is the top of it right here because it has a port, a hatch where you can shoot down on it. So we're going to take this through, we're going to pull this up. This little backdrop falls down. Stuff that into place. There it is. You're all set. You're ready to shoot almost. Next thing you want to do is choose your backdrop. And I'm going to choose white. And as you can see in here, there's a little elastic band in the back that we're going to use. So this plastic actually is folded right where you need it to be folded. That slides up into place. And there, backdrop set. You're good. This thing has a USB plug-in right here with a light controller. Got an on-off switch and an up and down for your different light settings. It'll go 10 different settings on here from low to high. If you look inside of here, you can see that there's a ring of 160 LED lights in here. And that's pretty cool. When we turn that on, that's going to illuminate everything inside of here and give us the best light options for whatever item we happen to be photographing. There it is. Turns on and powering it up all the way to the top. If there's too much light coming in there for you, even if you have it on the low setting, you can use this diffuser that comes with it. And you get it all the way to the back, Velcro into one side, Velcro into the other side. You come over here, do the same thing, Velcro, Velcro, Velcro. That diffuser softens the light for you if you need a softer light option. The next thing we want to do is we can put an item in there. This New York City cup right here. Velcro the front of it, there you go. And this flap pulls up. Now you can see we have access to our thing. Let's turn the light on all the way up on high. I'm going to show you too that this thing in itself, this entire case, is 16 inches by 16 inches. So it's got a lot of room in there to fit stuff in there you wouldn't be able to fit in a smaller box. Come in here and all I have to do is crop this out and it's perfect. With that, now we can get a top-down photo from there if we wanted to. Here we go. Put a couple of those reflectors in that they gave us just to get a little artsy. Give a shout out to that guy. Look at that. That's pretty trippy. That's actually pretty wild. And you just pull this little tab up right here and it folds in on itself. You want to make sure it tucks in the back. That's my only tip to you. It tucks in, folds on top of itself. You can take your light and just stick it down in here, your little light switch, fold it up, put it back in the case. There it is. You can either carry it with you, take it someplace, or it's a nice, easy, compact way to store everything. So anyway, check it out. This is the 16 inch by 16 inch DUCLAS light box. It's your own little portable photography studio. Pretty awesome. Check it out.